Hi guys, I'm Britney Louise, in case you didn't know. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I would like to say for the millionth time, how you doing? Hey, hello. Today, my hubby's going to be doing my makeup. Yay! On my birthday. Yay! Okay, now that we got that all over. Yes, I am Miss Britney Louise's husband, and I will be doing her makeup for her birthday. So yeah, all them skills that she learned, she got it from me. And today I'm gonna show y'all just a simple look. Y'all stay tuned, and we're gonna get right into it.
Okay guys, so I have no idea, at this point, I have no idea what the heck my husband said on the intro. We are here. And I have decided to allow, no, I was actually like begging him a long time ago to do this tag. So I'm so excited that he's gonna do this. He swears that he knows what he's doing most of the time because he's watched so many of my videos. So I'm really excited to see what you come up with. And honey, I have laid everything out for you. I'm gonna let you do your thing and I'm gonna guide you as much as possible because this is supposed to be fun and this is apparently one of my birthday gifts. What's the first step that I do, honey?
I don't know what you do, but what I do.
Oh God.
I moisturize and prime first.
Oh, okay. So what are you gonna moisturize and prime my face with?
Moisturizer and primer.
I already moisturized my face, but if you want to moisturize it.
No. Can you guys see that? There we go. Okay. This is what we're using today for our primer.
What's it called?
It's something, but it's primer. Cover.
I did not talk like that.
Directions. Apply evenly to clean,
We
moisturized
don't
skin
have time.
prior to makeup.
Wait, no, just put it on your fingers. You know how much
It's runny. God bless you.
You know what? Don't be blasphemous. Oh,
Simba.
baby, you're supposed to like. Oh my gosh.
This is a lot.
Yeah, you think? You don't need a lot.
You'll be doing that video again.
Oh God.
Baby, screw you. Your face is like shark. This look like baby oil.
This stuff ain't cheap. Honey, you have to
You should have said something before.
You didn't even go down my nose, babe.
That's because it's still stuck on your forehead.
Oh, Jesus. Okay, so I already laid out a foundation for you.
Mm-hmm.
Just shake it up and you tell them what it is, honey.
Okay.
Okay, baby, do it. Go, baby. You got this. Babe, it's the wrong, like, can they see that way? Okay, honey, so what are you going to use to apply it? Now
I know you use a beauty blender.
Oh, look at you.
We're using the Cow beauty blender.
Come on, because this feels weird.
You should be used to this.
But I don't just hold my hand like this. Come on.
You want to tell me how this goes, or
Babe.
we gonna have another primer incident?
Okay, just dab the booty part. And just, start with a little bit and just all force. You don't have to rub yet. Just dot me. But you don't have to. Oh God. Yeah, dabbing is like the best strategy for this.
I know. That's what I'm doing.
Okay.
I'm all about that dab.
Yeah. I hope you did not just dab. Did you just dab?
No, what's dab? She looked orange out here.
I do. I'm not supposed to.
No, just give it give it a chance to oxidize and everything. And
oh, look at you. I'm proud of you. You not popping, baby?
You popping.
Thank you. Okay, so what's next?
Next is concealer.
Oh, okay, so lightly.
Is this expensive?
No, but still, like, do you want to be trying to blend it out forever like we was the primer?
Once again.
Don't even put. They don't care. They just want to see you.
Give it like a long minute, and you'll see it. Okay. Is there anything in here?
Yeah, baby. That's enough. Trust me. Just
for
dab.
the whole face.
No, the whole. Listen, hold on. So just under the eye. Okay, put it where you think it's supposed to.
For the tribal look, Donna.
Well, but just do you, babe. Less is always more because you can build up. Oh my god.
Show the camera.
Babe, don't drag, Pat. Just don't drag. Is it cute, babe?
No.
Cute.
Ain't no point in lying to you.
Babe.
It sucks.
Well, now you know the type of stuff we gotta go through.
Oh, please, y'all just try to be extra now.
What's next? You cheater.
I had eyeshadow next.
Well, honey, how are you gonna add like warmth to my face?
I was gonna do all that.
But that's what the contour is for. It's like the start of it.
Oh, okay.
You gotta slim my face because it's chunky. Oh my god. Okay, where does it go?
Stop moving.
But honey, okay.
What?
No, just
come on.
Just okay. I will say just use like small dots because that's a lot of pigment. Okay, that's not. Okay. Hold on, let me turn towards the audience. Try not to look. Okay, so this is the palette, Rendezvous, because this is the only palette that I'm okay with him messing up. So here's my Rendezvous palette from ColourPop. Here, babe, you do it, because I'm not supposed to look at myself, so I don't want to see what's going on.
You already know what the palette looks like.
Perfect. Okay, so I got all these brushes for you. Aren't these so cute? I'm not looking. This is so cute. It's new. I'm going through too much. Everything itches. Why does everything itch, honey? What did you do to it? It's all a damn primer. I don't even cuss on my channel. What look are you gonna do? How are you gonna do this? Well, you have to start. We have to get eye primer. Yeah, there's a thing. It's a thing. So I pulled out my really old one, so I don't care what you do with it, but just don't use a lot. Okay, so if you just take a little bit and just kind of like, okay, just kind of spread it all over my eyelids until like a thin layer. Kind of like pancakes. Wait, I mean, I'm so sleepy. Like cake batter. Or like, you know, when you're doing like icing.
Just stop.
Okay.
Just stop. Why is this all white?
Well, because you're not supposed to use a lot. That's why I said just a little. You just not using a little.
Ooh, Lord.
Oh my god. Okay, so now, what brush are you gonna? Okay, so get the palette, babe. You seem so excited about this, about ruining my life. What?
I don't know. I'll tell them, not you.
Oh god. Well, what brush are you gonna start off with? Because you have to start at my crease.
So
use. Okay, so a tip. Oh, okay. I'll be fine.
You sure?
I'm fine. Just do you, baby.
So we gonna go with.
You can say the name.
Our secret.
Okay. At least you light with it. I could just feel the wrongness in your stroke. Oh my god. Your flick of the wrist is horrible.
No, that's very light. I am making a masterpiece.
You know, they say you can tell a lot about a man with his flick of the wrist, so.
What does mine say then, baby?
It's a little messy.
Well, I'm trying to cover up all this white, so.
So now we gotta do eyeliner, babe, okay? I don't know if you're gonna give me a wing. That's what I usually wear. But you got this, baby.
No, I don't.
Babe, just try.
So I've been doing it.
I'm proud of you. This is beautiful.
You ain't gonna say that once you see it.
Just let me just think the best. Be cool, be cool. Be cool. Don't make me laugh.
I did better on the other side.
You did? Because it didn't feel like it.
Do I go under the eye as well?
No. Just stay on top. Okay, you have to do my eyebrows, honey. Like you haven't done them yet. So I'm going to give you the cheaper one. This is the e.l.f. And I'll at least tell you what to do. I'm not going to do it for you. So you brush my brows. You brush up and over. You brush them straight up first. Okay, so you feel like they good? Okay, so now you're gonna take the pencil side and you're gonna fill them in. And anytime you feel like, you know, you need to like make it look lighter, you just take the brush and just brush through it. You feel like they done? Why do you keep laughing?
This is good. This is good stuff.
Now we gotta do lashes. You can do this. Like this, I know you could do. It's not hard, I promise. All you gotta do is sit them on my eyes. Now I'm good. Now see, we can multitask. So I'm gonna put the glue on here. I'll show you one. So you put glue. You want me to do it on both? Okay, babe. I'll help you out. So while we let these prep, we're gonna go back to the face, babe. So we gotta let these sit for a second. And so now you're gonna put you're gonna bring everything together, okay? You're gonna have to put some powder on my face. Loose powder. No, that's a highlighter, honey. Don't drag, Pat. Oh my God. Honey.
Baby.
You gotta go down the nose and stuff. Every, in this, over and in the center. Alright, cool. So I think you should stop.
Okay.
Oh my God. Okay, I'm not gonna look. So you want to take a big brush and kind of just sweep that away. Use the heavier hand. That's how we get that beat look, babe. So now we're gonna go to the lashes. Put that down. You can do this. So
you gonna do this first?
No, I can't. I'ma see. You gotta do it. You can do this. You can do it. No, it don't go on that eye, honey.
You see, just by your laugh, I can tell I'm off. Told you I want to do this.
Honey, you're doing great. I'm so proud of you. How look?
It's not bad. This one is, but
okay. These are kind of big, so you kind of.
I think I got that better than that one. Anyway.
Okay. So then now we're gonna put on our highlighter. Oh my gosh, hold it up. We got the Maybelline times Puma. You babe, they can't see that. They stop. Less is more with makeup. You highlight the top of my cheeks, mine come down my nose. Oh my God. Babe, but you gotta you know when I do that thing, babe? Yeah. Can you see it? Okay, so now you can, I got a trick for you. This your last piece of redemption. So you can spray me now. Oh well, we gotta do the lips.
I ain't doing no lip.
Baby, you just gotta
gloss.
Okay, well if you want to use the gloss, put the gloss on.
Use the gloss.
Baby, that's the only thing that looks shiny. Okay. Nah, don't put it.
That primer is sitting in. Keep playing. Your lips stay glossy for a year.
Spray me all over. And just kind of pat it all over so you can blend everything now.
Shining, 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 shining.
Yeah.
Oh, there's something.
Okay. Am I done?
Well, patted your face down. What's next?
That's it then. I need to see what I look like.
I don't think she's ready. Close your eyes and let the camera see.
It's actually not that bad, honey. I thought it was gonna be real bad. Okay, you got some liftage on the eyelash. What is that?
Don't look into it.
Oh, okay. You did pretty good, honey. I give you probably at least a 7. I mean, my eyes is high key popping. You did good.
Okay. Well, on that note, my job is done. I am the master, the artist, Big Daddy. I'm signing out.
No, anyway, so
I am gone.
Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching.
Bye.
Baby, you gotta tell them to like, subscribe, and share. You can't get up yet.
That's your job, boo.
Okay, guys, thank you guys so much for watching our video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I love you guys a lot. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed yourselves. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I mean, we could get the husband tag popping again. We are tired. We going to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you later. Bye.